Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit Foxit PDF. We'll start by exploring the fundamental tools available for modifying your documents. You'll learn to easily adjust text and images, ensuring your PDFs look exactly as intended. We'll also cover how to organize pages and add helpful annotations. Finally, we'll delve into some advanced features to give you a complete understanding of Foxit's powerful editing capabilities. Now, let's dive into modifying text and images. Foxit allows you to effortlessly select and edit existing text, giving you control over font styles, sizes, and colors. You can also insert new text boxes to add fresh content wherever needed. For images, you'll learn to add new ones, resize them to fit perfectly, and reposition them with simple drag-and-drop actions. Deleting elements is just as straightforward. Next, we'll focus on organizing your documents pages and adding annotations. You can easily rearrange, insert, delete, or extract pages to create the perfect document flow. Rotating pages to the correct orientation is also a breeze. For collaboration, Foxit offers robust annotation tools like highlights, sticky notes, and text boxes. You can also use stamps and various drawing tools to mark up your PDFs with precision. Finally, let's explore some of Foxit's advanced editing capabilities. You can effortlessly fill out interactive PDF forms and save your entered data directly within the document. For sensitive information, apply redaction to permanently remove it from view, ensuring privacy. Customizing your documents with watermarks and backgrounds is also simple. Plus, Foxit allows you to convert your PDFs into other popular formats, such as Microsoft Word or Excel, for maximum versatility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.